Are your jumps a problem? Do you find it hard to get off the ground? I'm going to give you the inside professional tip on that, so stay tuned. Hi, this is Cheryl Ale, Founding Director of RPM, Revolutionary Principles of Movement. I'm here to teach you, the dancers and the teachers, to be the very best that you can be. This is, after all, ballet for everybody. This is what we do together. Okay, I promised to give you some secret tips on jumping, so follow me. This is gonna be so awesome. Okay, this is how to improve your split jumps, otherwise known as a grand jeté, right? Which is a big jump en français. So I have Danielle here with Ballet Palm Beach, and she is an incredible grand jeté, if you will, or split jumper. So we are going to show you that there has to be a tremendous amount of counter resistance that conjures a backward circle, which then catapults you into a fabulous grand jeté. So Miss Danielle will give us this demonstration. And développé, and tombé, padré, glissade, grand jeté. Isn't that beautiful? Now, let's try that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, do you see that in between counter resistance as she went through? She counteracted here her energy, then she went, and this, the down, after she was so far up, gave her that glissade that released it and took it higher into the grand jeté at the end. That was beautiful. Thank you. So did that help? I need to know what the problems you're having are so I can interject some more principles that might not be on this channel. So comment below, tell me what you're doing, tell me the problems you're having. I'd love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and see you next time.